Hello everyone, I'm Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in today's video we are going to see while loop. So in last video we have seen for loop, okay. So here let's see while loop. So why do we use while loop first? So we use while loop to execute a condition. So firstly let me tell you that while loop will iterate the condition until and unless it don't become true, okay. So if I give you an example, so let me say um, a equals to 1, okay, and I will say while I is less than 6, print I, okay, and here I will just do increment of I, print, sorry not I, here I should write a, and here also a, and I will just do increment operation with I when this loop execute. So here what we are doing is, here you must write a, okay. So here what we are doing is, like, this will print a until and unless it don't become less than 6, okay. So of course this a is less than 6, but it will print till 5 number, okay. So if I run this, then you can see it printed till 5 because 5 is last number which is less than 6, okay. I hope you got this idea, right? So this is a simple operation which we can do. Now we can also have if condition in a while loop, okay. So I'll just comment this and I will write comment simple while loop, okay, and here I will say if loop in while loop, okay. So here again I will take example of this a equals to 1 only. So I'll say while a is less than 6, okay, then print a only, but if I is double equals to, sorry, a is double equals to let's say 2, then just break this loop, okay, and I will increment this a in every single iteration by 1, okay. So I will just close this terminal and run it again. Now you can see it printed 1 and 2 only, right? So this is if loop in a while loop, okay. Same way we have continue, like instead of this break we can write continue. So I'll just uncomment this again. I will comment this break, okay, and here I will write continue. So here what it is going to do is, if this, even though this condition is true, it will print 1 to 5 number because we have wrote here continue keyword, okay. So this continue keyword will not break the condition, it will directly complete whole steps, okay. So if I run this, oops, it got infinity loop. Yes, I think yeah, it will take infinity loop. I need to break this. So here, in order to continue all the steps, I need to take this increment operator and paste it above if loop, right? So now it should not go in infinity loop. Yes, you can see it has printed all the numbers, okay. So we also have, else condition in the while loop. Like if I come out of this while loop and I can write else, okay, and here I can say print all numbers less than 6 are printed, okay. Clear it and I will run again. So you can see after printing all the numbers, it has printed the else condition, okay. So this is else loop in a while loop. So yeah, this is it for while loop. I think everything has been covered. So yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comments below, and the code is available in a description below. Okay, so you can click on GitHub link and access the code. So I hope you got this while loop. Okay, so I'll see you in next one. Thank you.